Hey everyone, welcome back to Lantu channel. Today, we're diving into the world of electric motorcycles and taking a closer look at the powerful 3000 watts QS motor. Let's get started. This powerful motor comes with peak power 5760 watts and max torque 122 Nm. With its advanced technology and intuitive interface, the TFT display in electric motorcycles offers riders a wealth of information at a glance. From speed and battery life to navigation and entertainment options, this high-tech display enhances the riding experience in numerous ways. Disc brakes with ABS in this model have revolutionized the braking system, offering superior stopping power and safety. This advanced braking system gives riders the confidence to tackle diverse road conditions, knowing that they can rely on precise and controlled braking. A 3-level speed switch in an electric motorcycle is designed to offer riders greater control and adaptability to different riding conditions. By offering different levels of power output, the 3-level speed switch enhances the riding experience, making it more versatile and accommodating for riders of different skill levels. The full hydraulic suspension represents a significant advancement in ride quality and handling. The keyless entry system in this model represents a cutting-edge approach to convenience, security, and ease of use. This innovative system allows riders to access their motorcycles without the need for a traditional key. In conclusion, these technologies collectively enhance safety, performance, and convenience, making this model a compelling choice for modern riders seeking an exhilarating riding experience. If you want to know more about our products, feel free to contact us.